Hidden in the heart of southern India, beside the silent waters of a man-made lake, lies a monument that has defined time. A temple carved not just in stone, but in astonishing precision, geometry, and mystery. Welcome to Halebidu, once called Dwarasamudra, the royal capital of the Hoysala Empire in the 12th century. Flourishing with art, science, and spirituality, this city stood as a beacon of cultural supremacy for over 3 centuries until it was silenced by repeated invasions. Yet, even in ruins, one creation stands tall, unbroken: the Hoysaleswara Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. But this is no ordinary place of worship. It is a living thesis of ancient engineering. At first glance, the temple stuns with its beauty, every inch etched with story. But behind the aesthetics lies something more profound: mathematical precision, advanced architectural intelligence, and technologies far ahead of their time. Built beside a reservoir, the temple was strategically oriented to harness natural cooling and stabilize structural vibrations, similar to seismic damping principles used in modern architecture. Elevated on a star-shaped platform called a Jagati, the temple stands protected from groundwater decay. But more than protection, this Jagati forms a circumambulatory path, guiding devotees in clockwise motion, seamlessly blending ritual with structure. Constructed with chloritic schist or soapstone, the choice of material was deliberate. It allowed intricate carvings during the build, but hardened with exposure, increasing durability. Each block was cut with interlocking joints so precise that no mortar was needed. Many columns here are not round, not square, but 16-sided, perfect hexadecagons. The carving accuracy within millimeter range using no modern tools. Looking closer, and the walls begin to speak. Over 240 sculpted panels depict epics: Ramayana, Mahabharata, the Puranas, not randomly but in deliberate order and proportions. The distance between each major scene aligns with a rhythmic pattern, telling a story not just in art but in pace, almost like visual meter. Motifs alternate. No two lions, elephants, or dancers are the same, and yet the symmetry holds. Modern data scientists call this structured asymmetry, a hallmark of intelligent design. These are not just carvings, they are equations in stone. Despite its scientific genius, the temple remains deeply spiritual. The inner sanctum, the Garbhagriha, is dark, silent, isolated, a sacred void. From vibrant outer chaos, the visitor walks into inner stillness, echoing the journey from world to self. Whispers inside amplify, chants resonate, not by chance but by design. The spatial dimensions follow harmonic ratios that enhance sound clarity. It is a fusion of faith and physics seamlessly intertwined. In 2023, Hoysaleswara Temple earned UNESCO World Heritage recognition. But for scholars and architects worldwide, it is far more. A rare, tangible proof of what pre-modern civilizations achieved without digital tools or machines. Engineers are now studying the structure to learn sustainable practices, modular construction, and vibration absorption from a 900-year-old design. What if sacred structures weren't built just to worship but to educate, to enhance, encode knowledge in art, to remind us that engineering, when guided by purpose and spirituality, can last not just centuries but forever? In a world chasing faster, bigger, newer, this temple whispers a different truth. That true genius lies not just in building, but in building with meaning. And somewhere between chisel and chant, the Hoysaleswara Temple continues to echo the divine geometry of ancient minds.